So I have all three Chase Ink cards. I've had all three for quite a while, and I'll share with you guys exactly which one you guys should get first. To start out, I know many beginner users might get overwhelmed. Oh my gosh, the Sapphire, the Freedom, the Chase Ink, the World of Hyatt, the this, there's that, the Southwest. There's just so many cards I don't even know what to do. I can't keep track of all of them. Okay, here's how we break things down. Most people already know the Chase Freedom cards and the Chase Sapphire cards. Those are the most popular Chase cards. Even if you aren't into credit cards, most people know what that is. The Chase Ink Business Unlimited, the one right here on the top, this is basically your Chase Freedom Unlimited except your business version. The Chase Business Preferred right here is your Chase Sapphire Preferred version except the business version. And then the bottom right here, the Chase Ink Cash, it's kind of just its own card, and I'll explain to you guys later towards the video why that is. Now, to determine which card is going to be the best out of all these three, I focus on three key factors. One of them is the annual fee. You don't want to be paying a huge annual fee for a card that you're not going to get a return on. The second thing would be the promotional offer. Now, this will fall under the welcome bonus, and on top of that, no APR promotions for that card. The reason why I think that is a huge key factor in determining which card is the best, it's because since this is a business card, you can carry a balance for up to a month if it gives you no APR, and it will have no repercussions on your personal credit score. So I think it's very important for you to know that and to make that decision whether or not that card is worth it. The third factor is going to be that cashback multiplier. If, say, the Business Unlimited gives you 10x back on everything, that's obviously going to be a superior card. So let's go through each one of these cards and figure out which one is the best based on those three factors. Now, to start with the annual fee, you guys, the Chase Business Ink Preferred right here, this is the only card that actually has an annual fee. The annual fee on this card is $95 per year, which is pretty much nothing. If you guys break that down, divided by 12, it comes out to be about $8 a month to hold this card. I don't think that's that much personally, especially if you're gonna get a lot of benefits with this. There is a secret benefit with this card I'll share with you guys towards the end of the video as well. But this card, the Chase Ink Business Preferred, is a card with the annual fee. The two other cards right here, the Freedom Unlimited and the Chase Ink Cash, have no annual fee. If you're someone who's very sensitive about annual fees, then obviously the card that doesn't have one is gonna be the superior one. All three of these cards actually offer great welcome bonuses. So if you actually spend what that welcome bonus requirement is, then basically you'll get about 24 to 25% cash back. That's a lot of money. To start out, for the minimum spend requirement on these cards, if you guys get the Chase Ink Unlimited and the Chase Ink Cash, if you spend $3,000 on these two cards, you'll get 50,000 points back. Now, if you get a good redemption, 50,000 points on the minimum can be $500, but it's very easy to actually get anywhere from $750 to $1,200 worth of rewards back on that card. So that's a good amount of cheddar just by spending $3,000 in 3 months, and that's about $1,000 a month, and I know a lot of people normally spend that much anyways. Now, the Chase Ink Preferred is a little bit different. You have to spend a little bit more money to get a higher welcome bonus. For this card, you have to spend $5,000 and they'll give you 80,000 points. 80,000 points is the highest welcome offer that Chase offers. 80,000 points is valued at about $1,200, but it's easy to get a higher redemption of even up to $1,500 to $1,800. So you can do a lot of crazy things with credit cards. You could easily get that by transferring over to Hyatt, and when they have a good hotel promotion, you can find yourself getting anywhere from 3 cents to even 5 cents, sometimes 7 to 8 cents per point. On top of the welcome offers that these three cards offer, they do have promotional APRs. So for the Chase Ink Unlimited and the Chase Ink Cash, during the time of this recording, they have 12-month no APR. I think that's one of the greatest things about those cards. The Business Preferred right here, it does not offer the 12-month no APR, but it does offer that higher sign-up bonus. So what do I recommend to you guys if you're interested in all three of these cards? If you're someone who's actually getting into a business, or if you're someone who has a little bit of credit card debt, I would actually get one of the two cards here, hit the welcome offer for it, but then also move over your debt to any of these two cards and utilize that 12-month no APR. If you're someone that wants to have no APR on your consumer debt, you could actually get two of these cards by timing it precisely. You could get this card the first year and then this card the second year, and in combination you guys can get 24 months worth of no APR. Now, I would actually recommend the Chase Ink Business Preferred card only because it does give you such a high welcome offer, and if you're someone that's already used to paying off their credit cards on time and you don't carry a balance, then this card right here is the no-brainer because it offers so many benefits. Now, this card right here, like I said, is like the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, but it's on steroids. It gives you better protection, better value, and it even offers things like cell phone protection that I wanted to mention. Now, I wouldn't actually go for this card for the cell phone protection because they have a higher deductible. The card that I use personally for cell phone protection is the Uber Barclays card. It offers a $25 deductible, where this one, if you break your phone, you have to pay a $100 deductible to get it fixed. Cashback multiplier, let's start with the easy one. The Chase Ink Unlimited card right up here, you guys, offers 1.5x on everything, just like the Freedom Unlimited. So the Chase Ink Cash offers 5x on office supplies. It offers 5x on internet, cable, plus phone, and then it gives you 2x on gas and it gives you 2x on dining. Now, the way that this card works is if you're a heavy spender, you might want to get multiple versions of this card, meaning open more Chase Ink cards in different business names, because you can reach a cap of $25,000 per category. Now, if you don't know what that means, is say you spend $26,000 on office supplies, you'll only get 5x back on the first $25,000. Now, moving on, the Chase Ink Preferred, there's a little bit of overlap with this card and this card. This card right here gives you 5x on internet, phone, and cable. This one offers you 3x on internet, phone, and cable, but on top of that, it gives you 3x on travel, shipping, and advertisements. So one of the common questions I get from a lot of people is, Brian, I am running Facebook ads, or Brian, I'm doing the marketing. I want to put it on a credit card. Which card should I do? Obviously, you guys want to put it on the Chase Ink Preferred because you get 3x back on advertisements compared to the 1.5x you would get on this card right here, and then compared to the 1x back you would get on this one. So that's a no-brainer right there. I hope I answered any dropshippers' questions. If you guys want to get any of these cards, make sure you guys check it out in the link below. I hope like having this kind of helped. I know I'm a very visual person and I wanted to have something like here. Hopefully it wasn't too distracting for anyone that already knew what these cards did. But the main question now here is, Brian, which card is the best and which one do you recommend? So, drum roll. None of them. What? Dislike? Clickbait, dislike. The reason why I say none of them are the best cards is because all of them are pretty dang good cards. The Chase Ink cards are one of my favorite cards that offer you great protection, great promotional offers, and a great welcome bonus. There isn't one card that is good for everyone. Everyone's different. Brian Jung right here might benefit more from the business preferred card because he spends a lot on ads, but then Billy Jung over here, who runs a power washing company and needs to buy a ton of stuff from Office Depot, may benefit more from the Chase Ink Cash. It depends on who you are and how much you're spending. That's how credit card works, you guys. If anyone says this is the best card or that's the best card, it's a lot of bogus jogus. I don't even know what that means, but it's a lot of poop, okay? The reason is one card is not best for everyone. It doesn't work like that. One card might be the most suitable for that type of person. That situation exists, but one card isn't the best for everyone. So here's what I recommend to you guys. If you find yourself spending a lot in a certain category, or if you think you don't know what card is the best for you and all of them are suitable for you, just get all three of these cards. There's no repercussion. You can get all three of them. They're not affected by 524. There's literally nothing that holds you back from getting all three of these cards like I did. I actually know some people that have 6 cards. The reason people can get 6 cards is if I own 2 businesses, I can just shadow clone jutsu this dude and have 2 right here. If you're someone that doesn't know anything about these 3 cards, and if you're thinking to yourself, oh, I don't own a business, or I can never get a business card because I'm just not a business guy. Guys, a lot of people qualify for business cards even if they don't have a business. It's very easy to get a business, and the term business is very loose and subjective. The analogy I always use on my channel is if I'm going outside and say I'm petting my neighbor's dog and they're like, oh, you know, our dog loves you and we want our dog to get walked by you, we'll pay you if you walk our dog. Basically, you're in business right there. That is a business transaction. You're basically providing them a service and they are giving you money in return, and you are in business. You can get your EIN anytime you want. You don't have to get your EIN if you don't want to, but I made a whole playlist on this channel talking about how you guys can get business credit cards. Now watch my videos, figure out what type of business you want to qualify as. Just so many different things. Make sure you guys check out those videos if you guys want to qualify for these type of cards. Very easy to get. I have a whole step-by-step business credit blog too, and if you guys want to support this channel, make sure you guys check out the links towards the end of the blog, or check out the links down below on the video when you guys want to apply for this card. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something from it. If you guys did, make sure you guys hit this right here, and if you guys want to drop a comment down below, make sure you guys do. I'll drop a little heart. But in the meantime, I hope you guys have a good one, and your boy B Jung is out.